In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to use BigChange. So BigChange is an all-in-one job management platform for planning, scheduling, and tracking field service operations. Now, if we go to their pricing, so we're gonna go with pricing overview, we can see that basically they offer two plans, the standard one and the plus one. So you can see here the difference between each one of them, and we can start creating our account. Now after that, so we just have to sign up and start adding jobs with customer details, tasks, and deadlines. Then we can schedule and dispatch teams using the drag and drop planner, track job progress via mobile app with real-time updates, and we can create invoices and reports directly from the platform to streamline workflows. So basically that's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys.